Hey everybody, I am straight out of the shower for you today. As you can see, I got my towel on. I'm sitting in a blue, nice chair on my front porch. And I did want you guys to know my house is pink, if you guys can tell in the videos. Also on my Instagram, I just posted a picture of where I've been mulching, and it is extremely pink in the picture, the house. And I just really never really recognized how pink it was until I started taking pictures and doing things out here in the yard. Well, I was going to give you guys a little update today on what I've been doing. I know I haven't posted a video in a few days. There was supposedly going to be a hurricane come this past weekend, Hurricane Barry, but it never came to us here in the Gulf Coast. Well, in Alabama Gulf Coast anyway. A lot of places around us got a lot of rain. We got no rain hardly at all, except for one night, and it was just scattered. And I thought it was going to rain for like 3 days, so I kept saying, okay, I'm not going to go out in the yard. I don't know if it's going to rain. I can't really do anything. I moved all my stuff to where if it got windy and stormy, it wouldn't get hurt. And then come to find out, no storm. Today it's all sunny and beautiful. It was cloud coverage all weekend, and that's it. And so I'm out here today redoing everything, trying to restart on the yard because I've just been slowly doing things over time. A little raking here, a little planting there. At this point, some of my projects, today I'm mulching, which I might not actually get to put the mulch down because there's so many weeds and so many crazy like plants and everything that that I'm tearing out of all the spots that I need to mulch. And then, of course, I'm having to rake all that back, and then I'm having to let the soil dry because the soil is just so moist under all of that. And so maybe the mulch will happen tomorrow. I'm going to have some before and after photos on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy those. I'm also trying to prepare the front yard, which I'm raking it all out so I can get rid of the mosquitoes, burning all the dead branches that have fallen over the past year that we haven't picked up. And then I'm trying to also do a lot of ground coverage or like leaf coverage over the ground that has grass. Since I have so many trees in my yard, there's barely any spots for grass, so random little grass spots grow up. So I just cover it with leaves, get it killed, and then I rake it up, and then it's a fresh new piece of ground. And I'm going to start mulching a lot more to prevent the weeds more, and it'll look so nice around here. But I do want to get some of y'all's opinions. I want to get your opinion on what kind of things would you like to see me do on my channel. I want you guys to tell me, like, what kind of things do you like to do in your front yard? Like, what kind of projects do you want to see me do in my own yard? And maybe I'll learn something. Maybe I'll teach y'all something. Just jog my memory or give me some ideas. Um, I'm at the spot that I'm mulching right now is actually I'm turning it into what I've called it now is a life-size fairy garden. So it's going to be life-size, and it's going to be beautiful, and me and my mom are going to be able to sit in it, drink our coffee in the mornings. I'm going to take multiple pictures, and y'all will love it. It's really going to be gorgeous. It's going to be like my little Zen zone. I think everybody needs their own little Zen area, even if it's a few areas of your house. Like, oh, my Zen area of my front porch, it's so Zen and vibing and nice, and a nice little music, nice lights and stuff. And then, of course, your bedroom. You always want your bedroom to be nice and beautiful. And then with some good music, some hot tea, hot coffee, or cold coffee, cold tea, whatever you prefer. Or a little corner of your yard that has a little fire pit where you can go sit and have a nice fire, some s'mores, music, lights, whatever you wish. So what I'm trying to do is create that all around this house. And hopefully my 4 younger sisters will come here and enjoy this house as much as I do over the next generations. So I'm just preparing for children to come within our family and grandkids and nieces and nephews. And I hope one day that this whole property will be full of laughter and love, full with all of my family members. And we're going to plant and garden and have a great time and try to like really live off the land more than anything. Hopefully one day I'll make this place all solar paneled to where I don't have to pay any electricity. There's already a well, so we don't have to pay water. And maybe we'll just start living off the land sooner or later. I'm going to build some gates, fences. I've got a lot of plans. And I don't have many helpers, but helpers come along as they get as I go through this, and it's been great. And little miracles have happened here and there, and I've had plenty of help from also family members, even though they aren't here right now. They've helped me in the past. Thank you, Goldie, for helping me with garbage stuff. Thank you, Olive and Sabbath, for cleaning all the things you have cleaned. It's amazing. And thank you, Grace, for being our sister and at least coming to see Dad last year and coming to see all of us last year and Mom, and we were just so happy. So I love you guys. I love my sisters. I love my fans and followers. I hope you guys all love this. And give me some insight. Give me some insight on what you have done to your properties and what I should possibly do, and maybe some do-it-yourself stuff too. I love do-it-yourself stuff, things that I can do on my own out here, and give me some ideas. I love to hear from you guys. Like and subscribe to this video. I'm about to have to kill a fly. It keeps bothering me. But like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.